Welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over how to delete a database resource. I'm currently in the database hub of the Inhouz Cloud platform. To get to the database hub, all I did was use our sidebar navigation or our menu, and I just hopped into the database tab. Here I can see all my databases that I have in the system. As you know, we have different database types. We integrate with all the major database providers, all the popular providers, and there are more integrations to come. All right, so I have a database here that was a temporary database, as it says in the name, and we're gonna go ahead and delete this database. To delete it, all I need to do is hit the delete button, and that's it. It's gone. So one thing to note is that you need to make sure that before you delete a resource, you're no longer consuming it within the function, because when it's gone, right? So in your functions, when you consume your databases, we do not actually store the database information within the function. We only store a pointer, right? A pointer that has no real data. It has no credentials within it. So when that pointer looks for your database and it's nowhere to be found, then any transaction that function is carrying out will not be successful. So this is the way to delete the database resources from the Inhouz Cloud platform, and only delete the resources that you no longer need and you're no longer consuming. All right, that's it for this video. Catch you in the next one.